Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any graduation celebration, the Tenare 40 pieces paper graduation crown for kids. These are undoubtedly the best paper graduation hats on the market, perfect for adding that extra touch of celebration to any graduation event. These paper graduation crowns are not just hats. They're a symbol of achievement and a fantastic way to make any young graduate feel special. Whether you're celebrating a kindergarten milestone or a high school senior's accomplishment, these caps are designed to impress. Each set includes 40 adjustable paper hats with elastic bands, ensuring a comfortable fit for every child. They're made from durable cardstock, so they're not only stylish but also sturdy enough to last through the festivities. The caps are approximately 16 by 4 inches in size, making them suitable for various age groups from kindergarten to high school. They come in a vibrant blue color, adding a festive flair to any graduation party. Now, imagine your child or students wearing these caps at their graduation ceremony or party. It's a wonderful way to capture memories and celebrate their achievements. These caps are not just for show, they're also a great educational tool, reinforcing the importance of milestones in a child's life. Why should you choose the Tenare graduation crowns over others? These caps are designed with attention to detail. The elastic bands ensure a secure fit without the hassle of resizing, making them practical for both teachers and parents organizing graduation events. As we wrap up today's review, it's clear that the Tenare 40 pieces paper graduation crown for kids is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to make their graduation event memorable. From its ease of use to its vibrant design, these caps are sure to be a hit with both children and adults alike. If you're interested in purchasing these graduation caps or learning more, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the best products available. Thank you so much for watching today. Until next time, stay tuned, stay safe, and celebrate those special moments in style.